Okay, we are in Passaic, New Jersey. Let's eat some Filipino food. Hello. Hi. Yum. What do you have? So much good stuff. Can you tell me the dishes? This one's Bicol Express, right?
Yeah, Bicol. And this one's menudo.
Menudo, diniguan.
Yeah. And this one, the
Bistec.
The tocino.
What is this one?
Tocino, the pork.
Tocino, the pork, okay.
We call it this
Pinakbek?
pinakbek. Oh, this one, the chicken with oyster sauce.
Huh?
Chicken with oyster sauce? Because I know some Filipino food.
Oh, and kare-kare.
Kare-kare, that's with some peanut butter. Okay. What's this one? Sinigang? No, monggo.
Mung beans.
Nice.
Yeah, monggo.
Okay. And this?
This one, pork sour soup.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Okay.
Paksiw.
Paksiw with bangos. Okay.
Paksiw na bangos.
Sayote.
And this one, no, the radish.
Radish, you got me. I've never had this. Okay. And this is like a banana. What is it?
Maruya, we call it Maruya.
Banana fritter?
Yeah, plantain.
Plantain.
Plantain inside.
Tansi bihon.
Yeah. Bihon canton.
This one is kamote.
Yeah, sweet kamote. And this one, the diniguan.
The diniguan looks good. Okay. Yeah. And then what is this is the eggplant, tangalong. Okay.
The milk fish.
Wow, you have so much good stuff. Langonitsa, okay.
The skewers.
This one's the galonggong.
Galonggong, the ramska.
What is this fish down here?
Butterfish.
Butterfish.
The pampano.
Pampano. And then this one is...
Pampano, this one the pampano.
This one's pampano.
Yeah.
This one's butterfish.
This one the tilapia.
Tilapia. Oh my gosh.
This one the Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Vegetable roll.
Lumpia.
Yeah. And this one
Pancit.
The fried pork.
Oh my gosh. Kawali.
Lechon kawali.
And that's Tiron, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. You have so much. You have everything. Suman with ube.
The fish with
Coconut.
Coconut now.
This is called Ginitang
Tulingan.
Turingan?
Tulingan.
Turingan. My pronunciation's so bad. I'm from
And
Canada.
this one, the pampano with the tomato.
It's called Insang
Pinangat.
Pinarat
Yeah, pinangat na pampano.
with tomato. What is the one with fish and eggs? Tomato and
Oh, the one fish sarsiado.
ishado.
Fish sarsiado with
Okay,
the cabbage.
so what should I get? Because you tell me what to get. Everything looks amazing. I think I want to try one of these. This is sweet? No.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, I gotta get one for dessert.
How about your
My combination.
akamba? Two side dishes with the rice.
Where are you from in Canada?
Vancouver.
Oh, Vancouver.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of.
Where are you from in the Philippines? Where are you from in Pampanga? That's where all the good cooks come from.
I have cousin in Vancouver.
You did classes in Vancouver?
He's a dentist.
Okay, what should I try?
What you want? With the rice, you want it?
Yes,
Rice?
please. With the rice is perfect. What is the name of the radish dish in Philippine? In Tagalog?
Labanos.
Papanos?
Labanos.
Labanos. Okay, I definitely want to try this.
Labanos in Filipino.
Labanos. In Tagalog?
Labanos. Yeah.
Labanos. Okay,
In
this
English is radish.
with some pork in there?
Yeah, pork and shrimp.
Oh, amazing. Okay. And then what other else one I should try?
What
You
you
pick.
want?
No, you pick.
Pork,
Your choice.
the vegetable. Yeah, you have the vegetable.
Maybe.
This one, the chicken with the oyster sauce.
This is what
Chicken with oyster sauce.
adobo or what is the
Simi adobo.
simi?
Yeah. The adobo is regular.
Okay, let's try
But
this one.
This one is with oyster sauce. This one, the bitter melon.
Ooh, I like that. Impalaya.
Ampalaya. Oh,
Ampalaya.
you know it.
I know the words, but my pronunciation is very bad.
Okay, anything else?
No, can I pay now or pay later?
Yeah, you're gonna pay the over there.
Okay, let's find a drink. Let's find a Filipino drink. This is good. We have guyabano, that's sour sop. Okay, what's going on here? A couple colors I've never seen. Lychee nectar. Whoa, where's that from? Thailand. Okay, gotta go Filipino. Mogu. Calamansi. Oh my gosh, I got all the good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go with the mogu pina colada, mogu melon mogu. Perfect. Did I eat this with anything? Patis or vinegar? Cinemac? Or? Oh, here. Oh, yes. So you actually have the... This is patis? I've never... This is like in the Philippines where you actually have condiments on the table.
You've been there?
Once.
Oh, you're there.
Here, this is Cinemac.
That's our vinegar.
I've never seen the condiments on the table. It's always like in these little containers. This is good. Now I can put as much as I want to. So what condiment should I put on the radish?
Fork and spoons?
Yeah? I don't have a spoon. I have just a fork.
Okay. The napkin is...
I need a spoon, right? You can't eat Filipino food without spoon.
They need a spoon.
So the radish, would you add vinegar?
No, that's already seasoned.
Okay, and this one you add to... Which one do I add?
Patis.
This one to the... Which one? To this or this?
No, it's already...
So I don't need this.
Yeah, you don't need to put.
Okay. And the banana, what do I dip it in? Just
No,
eat? Okay.
that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah, because it's dessert.
Perfect. There you go. Let's set you up. As everyone tells me to use a tripod. So let's use the tripod. So this is the radish. Exciting. I never had it. So tender. Wow, fresh. There's some prawns in there. I'm gonna try the prawn. Really good. Little pork. Little pork hairs there. It's a good sign. Really good. What a treat. Let's go see this chicken with oyster sauce. Let's see what happens here. Looks beautiful color. Sharp saltiness from the soy. Deep kind of umami vibe from the oyster sauce. Wow, that is different than normal adobo. That's cool. I'm gonna go hands. It's so tender. Okay, I'm into this. This is good. Good official mogu drink tasting. With melon. Some good chunks in there. Ooh, it's nice. It's like a honeydew, refreshing. Working well. It's like a fine wine. Whatever this garlic vinegar is, I think sinakak, I could eat on rice. All day. It's so punchy and bright with some garlic in it. This should be on every table, everywhere in America. I've worked in food a long time and I still have no idea how they grow baby corn. Look at that, it's so small. So tiny. Good. Okay, I've never seen this condiment. Lydia's liquid seasoning. That's a new one. Let's try it. Lydia's liquid seasoning, since 1965. Ooh. Kind of like an amino. A little MSG in there, it's good stuff. Quezon City, Philippines. Love it. Okay, where do I pay for this delicious food? Okay, deal. That was very good. Thank you. Really good. How do you say it?
Kikiam.
Kikiam.
Actually, that's a Chinese.
It's like from maybe Indonesia or something, yeah?
Hey, you have that in Indonesia.
Maybe? I don't know.
Chinese.
Oh, and this is Jiprox.
Jeprox. Oh, you know Jeprox?
Yes, come on.
Pati Jeprox alam niya.
I love these old photos. Did you ever serve the food like this? On the banana leaf?
Before.
Before?
No more because we are busy. We don't have
Yeah,
time.
fair enough. That's so cool. I love this puto at dinigan. Everyone says eat puto with dinigan. I know this. Endless baked goods. Hopia baboy, I think with pork. Ube ensaymada. Okay. Grated cassava. Oh, this is good. This is great. Look at this. All these funky fish sauces. Monemon. Okay, I'm gonna say it properly. I think it's Ginisang Labanos. Labanos. I think. Need to look it up. Okay. Lukban. Pork longanitsa. Wow. What else we got? Some bangus. What is happening over here? Dried salted threadfish bream. Clover chips. I need to do an episode just on snacks, I think. Excuse me. Sorry. Pork skins, chicharron. Pardon me. Let's see the freezer. Anything else fun in here? Frozen Tehran, but they had better Tehran up there. What's this? Ah, beautiful calamansi. Love it. A little concentrated, maybe? Perfect. Okay, one day I'm gonna find, I think it's this one, champorado with the smoked fish. Someone told me to have it with smoked fish. This, yeah, chocolate champorado with smoked fish one day. Thank you. That was worth the trip. What a great spot. They said since 1975, which is almost 50 years. She said she took it over from, I think, her family member in 1990. So that is an incredible run. Good to see. Filipino restaurant open for almost 50 years. And this is beautiful Passaic, New Jersey. And we're gonna finish strong by trying whatever this banana fritter thing is. Okay, so excuse me as I open this. Okay, shout out to the banana fritter. Here it is. Let's try it. Oh, yo. This is delicious. There's a mango or something in the middle. This I haven't had. A little powdered sugar on it. Whoa. What is that? It almost tastes like blanca, like jackfruit almost. Okay, I'm sold. Passaic, New Jersey. Another mecca of Filipino food. Come, enjoy it. I'm gonna catch the train. Until next time. Look, you'd think this would be the old Bicol Express line to Legazpi of the old Philippine National Railway, but no, we're going from Passaic, New Jersey back to New York.